Hello viewers, Spiritual Bodh warmly welcomes you in Punjabi Tutorial for Beginners Class 1. Ting tong ting. Spiritual Bodh के चैनल पर पंजाबी ट्यूटोरियल फॉर बिगनर्स क्लास 1 में आपका हार्दिक स्वागत है. Ting tong ting. जी आया नो. Let's get started with our class 1. Alphabets A, B, C, D to Z. These alphabets or these letters are collectively known as alphabets. In the same way, the Punjabi alphabets are collectively known as Varnamala. Uda, Eda, Edi, Sasa. जैसे कि इंग्लिश के अक्षर A, B, C सबको मिलाकर हम अल्फाबेट्स कहते हैं, ठीक उसी तरह पंजाबी के अल्फाबेट्स को मिलाकर हम वर्णमाला कहते हैं. So today we will learn first 5 Punjabi alphabets, and our first alphabet is Uda. Uda. By the Juda. First photo is of ship of a desert. That's camel. Camel in Punjabi is known as oont. Oont. Photo of a owl. Owl is ullu in Punjabi. Next photo is of motor. Motor, we grind the ingredients, and in Punjabi we call it as ukli. Next photo is of, guess what it is? It's wool, and wool in Punjabi is un. Eda, a pai bada peda. Fruit. Which fruit? Mango. Mango is known as amb in Punjabi. Again a fruit. Which fruit it is? It is a pomegranate. Pomegranate is anar. Anar. Eda, anar. Eda, amb. Next is again a fruit. Guava. Guava. Again start from Eda. That's amrood in Punjabi. It's a fruit alphabet. Eda is grapes. This is a photo of a grape. Yes, grape in Punjabi is known as angur. Let's revise. Eda, amb. Eda, anar. Eda, amrud. Eda, angur. Next alphabet. Edi, chakalaka boom boom. Pai the ladgi kidi. This edi is inam. Trophy in English. Inam in Punjabi. Edi, ill. Eagle in English. We call it ill in Punjabi. Next is Inja. Engine is also known as engine in Punjabi. This is something helps us in construction. Brick. Brick in English. But it in Punjabi. It. Edi, inam. Edi, ill. Edi, engine. Edi, it. Sasa. Sasa. This is a photo of a sun. Sun is known as Suraj in Punjabi. This is a photo of orange. Orange is known as Satra in Punjabi. So, मैं तो डर गई. Snake charmer. And snake charmer is known as sapera in Punjabi. Sasa sapera. Why are you scaring us, dear? Snake. Snake is known as sap in Punjabi. Let's revise. Sasa Suraj. Sasa Santara. Sasa Sap. Sasa Sapera. This is Sasa Sap. This is ha ha. Haha, photo of an elephant. Elephant is hathi in Punjabi. Girls must be very happy to see this photo. Photo of a necklace. Har in Punjabi. Plowing. Plow. So, hal in Punjabi. This really helps the farmer. Oh dear, you are here. This is our friend deer. Deer is known as hiran in Punjabi. Now revise. Ha ha hathi. Ha ha har. Ha ha hal. Ha ha hiran. It's a revision time. Where are you going? Stay. We'll sing a jingle to make it remember. उड़े एड़े दी लड़ाई ईड़ी डांग लेके आए सस्सा बन गया सपाई हाहा बन गया हलवाई उड़े एड़े दी लड़ाई ईड़ी डांग लेके आए सस्सा बन गया सपाई हाहा बन गया हलवाई. Please write in the comment section if your name start with these alphabets or of your friends, and even your the other photos or the names starting from these alphabets. Please mention in the comment section. Now let's revise once again. Uda, Ada, Edi, Sassa, Haha. You cannot escape from practice. What you have to practice, Mr. Deer? Don't go there. You have to match the photos with the alphabets. Please write the answers in the comment section. Also, I'll mention the answers in the description box. You can check it there as well. You can also join our Telegram group. The link is also mentioned in the description box so that I can share with you the worksheets if you wish to have. And also I give you the training of writing there. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. See ya. Bye-bye. We'll see you very soon in the next class. Please don't forget to mention your problems, your feedback in the comment section. Bye-bye now.